How to insert footnote in Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word on your device. After you're in Word, simply select your cursor after the text where you want your footnote to be, then click on References at the top. After you've clicked on References at the top, click on Insert Footnote. After you've clicked on Insert Footnote, it will lead you to this page. Here at the bottom, simply add the link of your reference, and if you go to the text at the top, you will find the number icon, and if you click on it, you'll find the reference link in there. This is how to insert footnote in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.